Proper battery maintenance is essential for reliable starting and consistent electrical performance. In this procedure, we'll walk through how to replace the battery on your Can-Am Maverick X3. Before beginning, engage the parking brake, turn the ignition off, and remove the key. This procedure will require a few basic hand tools. For more details, a complete tool list is available in the video description. The battery is located on the right-hand side of the vehicle. On two-seat models, it is positioned behind the passenger seat. On Max models, it is located behind the rear passenger seat. Seat removal is not required, as it has been removed for filming purposes only. Identify the negative and positive terminals. Always disconnect the black negative cable first, followed by the red positive cable. Remove the battery holder retaining screws and lift out the battery retainer. Carefully remove the battery from the compartment. Clean the battery housing to remove any dirt or debris before installation. Position the new battery into place, ensuring it is fully seated and properly oriented. Reconnect the cables, connecting the red positive cable first, followed by the black negative cable. Reinstall the battery holder and tighten the retaining fasteners to specification. Torque the terminal fasteners to specification. Confirm all components are properly secured before reinstalling the seat. This completes the battery replacement procedure for your Maverick X3. Regular inspection and proper installation help ensure dependable starting and long-term electrical system reliability.